Happy Monday, 111 students. I wanted to cover our Monday memo and talk about the work for this week of August 19th through August 25th. You should have received an email from me on Friday just touching base and giving you access to my email so that you have a kind of a quick and easy way of getting in touch with me. I've already gotten an email from a couple of you, so I know that, so that's good. I will get all your syllabus quizzes and also take a look at the work you've done introducing yourself and get those graded pretty quickly. All right. So this week we're going to begin to work on Module 1, your expository essay. For this particular class, you have 3 main essay assignments. If you read your introduction to the class and looked at your syllabus, you will see that. Reminder, you can find those course assignments and start and due dates under this tab here. So as you can see, here we are getting ready to start our assignment. So back to Module 1, the expository essay. Let's go ahead and click on that link. I want you to be sure to read through this introduction, this module description. So just in a couple of quick words, an expository essay is an essay in which you give me information. That's what you do in an expository essay. In this case, the information you are giving me has to do with 3 meaningful places that are important to you in some way, shape, or form. Your essay is going to detail those 3 places and give me some description and tell me why each of those places is important to you. This is a typical 5-paragraph essay. You will have an introduction with a thesis statement explaining what your 3 places are. You will have a paragraph for each of those places, and then you'll have a conclusion wrapping up your discussion. So as we go along in the next 3 or 4 weeks, you'll be working on brainstorming. You'll be working on writing your thesis statement. You will work on description. You are going to work on topic sentences, and finally conclusions, following up with peer review, learning how to edit other people's papers as well as your own. All right, so what I want you to do then, again, read through your module description and download your assignment sheet, open it up, and start to read through your assignment sheet. This is a really, really detailed description of the assignment along with the organization, your basic outline. So this is sort of, if you really pay attention to this assignment sheet, you will have a pretty good idea what we're doing, and the final page is the rubric. What am I going to look for when I grade your essay in the end? All right, I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. All right. So I'm going to put some sample essays in here, and you will have access to those sample essays as you go along. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to ask you to read through some of those sample essays and do some work with them. This week, from Monday through Sunday, in addition to doing your writing, I'm also going to have you do some reading in this first module. The first thing you're going to read is a little essay called The Sanctuary of School. And when you click into this module's folder, there are a few PowerPoints, and I'll cover those in a second. You have a reading. I think reading is an integral part of learning to write. It's important to read. Think about readings, and think about how writers craft their work. So you're going to have a little assignment this week. I call it a reading response Padlet. In this reading response discussion Padlet, you have a few questions to answer about that reading. And you've done Padlet, you did Padlet for your introduction. So this is going to get you more comfortable using this platform and working in terms of building a classroom, a cohesive classroom space so that everybody gets to know each other. In addition, I have a few PowerPoints on reading critically, the writing process, and then the characteristics of the expository essay. I want you to look through those PowerPoints. Here's a basic handout on the expository essay. I want you to take a look at that this week. Let's go back here, back to our folder here. So here I have our directions. You're looking at this announcement, watching the video, looking at the Reading Critically PowerPoint, reading your Sanctuary of School essay, and then I want you to complete this PowerPoint, or this Padlet, excuse me. You want to have your original response posted by Wednesday and your response to your classmate by Thursday. This is your virtual attendance assignment. Then I want you to make sure you review your writing process PowerPoint and the characteristics of the expository essay. You'll have a second, you'll have a discussion board in this case on some questions that cover the writing process, and that's due by Sunday. So you have 2 assignments due this week. One is a Padlet and one is a discussion board. All right, any questions? Go ahead and send me an email, stop by my office, or give me a phone call. I have my phone number listed in the contact information, my office phone number, and I will help you through this. And look for another announcement from me on Thursday morning. All right.